Hormone signaling involves various mechanisms through which cells communicate with each other to regulate physiological processes. These modes of signaling include autocrine, paracrine, endocrine, and intracrine signaling. Autocrine signaling. In autocrine signaling, a cell secretes a hormone or chemical messenger that binds to autocrine receptors on the same cell, leading to changes in the cell. Mechanism. The hormone affects the cell that secretes it. Example. Many cancer cells exhibit autocrine signaling, where growth factors secreted by the cells stimulate their own proliferation. Paracrine signaling. Paracrine signaling occurs when a cell produces a signal to induce changes in nearby cells, altering their behavior. Mechanism. The hormone acts on neighboring cells within a close vicinity. Example. During an allergic reaction, histamine is released by mast cells and acts on nearby blood vessels to induce vasodilation. Endocrine signaling. In endocrine signaling, hormones are secreted into the bloodstream and carried to target organs or tissues where they exert their effects. Mechanism. The hormone travels through the blood to reach distant target cells. Example. Insulin released by the pancreas travels through the bloodstream to affect various tissues, including muscle and liver, to regulate blood glucose levels. Intracrine signaling. Intracrine signaling involves a hormone acting inside a cell, regulating intracellular processes without being secreted. Mechanism. The hormone exerts its effects within the same cell that produces it. Example. Certain growth factors can act within the cells that produce them to regulate cellular functions like growth and differentiation.